Hey to my Curvy Cutie crew, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a natural look routine. Now if you guys hear some noise in the back, that is me or my mom working. We are working from home, but listen, my drive is so strong, so yeah, I'm recording and working. But anyway, let's get into this look. As you can see, I used my it's called Pixie hydration gel. And I put it all on my face and get all in the crevices and all that good stuff. Oh, and the links will be down below, so don't worry, or at least the names of the items will be down below that I used. And now I am going to brush my eyebrows with my brush here. Now again, as a disclaimer, I am not a professional. These are just things that I do and products that I use, tools that I use to do my makeup. So I am not a professional. I am not claiming to be. Yeah. But anyway, I don't know what I was looking for. Come on, let's go, Simone. People ain't got all day. Oh, okay. So I was looking for my pencil. Great. So I like to outline my eyebrows with a black eyeliner pencil. Now, not too heavy on the eyeliner, girls, okay? Because you don't want to walk around looking real mad with some dark eyebrows. Okay, so now that I have outlined my eyebrows, I'm going to use my eyebrow gel. This is a dark brown color, and I just like to fill in my eyebrows to kind of set the eyebrow black with the eyebrow gel brown, dark brown, and just kind of mix them together so that the eyebrows won't look too dark, but still give the look that I am looking for. And also another disclaimer, I don't know why the back of my door has all the fingerprints, probably because of my son. So don't be looking at my background, okay? Anyway, I'm filling in my eyebrows. I know it looks dark right now, okay? And I know, ooh, girl, listen, you gotta trust the process, because when you first do all of this, it looks real crazy. But when I start to outline them and clean them up, it's gonna look beautiful. Okay, now I also like to use a brown eyeliner as well to kind of fill that in and just take away a lot of that really dark black from the black eyeliner that I used. So I do use 2 sets of browns to just kind of make sure that it's not dark and it's not black, but it's coming off as a dark brown eyebrow. Okay, so now that we are done outlining and shading everything in, we're about to clean it up. This is my Pro Concealer by L.A Girl, and I really like this stuff. It's really close to my skin tone. So I really like to use this type of concealer for my eyebrows, and it has a brush, felt tip. So you can, use all in one instead of getting a separate tool to fill in your eyebrows. I'm sorry, to clean up your eyebrows. So it's a 2-in-1 for me, but I like using this stuff. Okay, so now that we cleaned the eyebrows up, and I also use my beauty blender as well, so that is all cleaned up, I'm going to go ahead with my eyeshadow. I think this palette I got years ago, and I got it maybe from like the dollar store or Walmart, but it's pretty much like a bronzer type of eye palette, but I also like to use it as eyeshadow. I like the neutral tone looks, as you can see right there, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my eyebrow as the base. Okay, so next we're going to do our eyeliner. I like to use the paintbrush skinny tip eyeliner, liquid liner, because it just is more sharp to me and it gives me a better cat eye. I used to use the black pencil long ago when I first started wearing makeup, and it just, oh God, I wish somebody would have told me, because I know I looked a mess. But anyway, yeah, I like to use, I can't remember the particular brand. I think this is actually e.l.f. Yes, this liquid eyeliner is by e.l.f. It's like maybe $2 or so. I don't know. I got it a long time ago, but I love to use a liquid versus any other kind. Alright, next we are going to apply the lashes by the very own me, Lustrious Lashes. I do have a lash line, if you guys do not know. It is on my website, monescurvycloset.com. Please go ahead and place your order and support your girl. I really love my lashes. They are a lot more natural because I'm a natural girl, if you will. I do not like those exaggerated lashes. So pretty much a lot of my lashes are natural looking, really cute, really feminine, and just really cute. So shop with your girl, monescurvycloset.com, and get you a pair of lashes. And what am I doing? Oh, I think I was putting the glue on. Glue I use, okay, listen, I use regular eyelash glue. I do not use that hair glue, girls. First of all, that stuff stinks. Second of all, it is for your tracks, not for your lashes on your eyelid, okay? But to each his own. I use eyelash glue because it is for lashes. But yeah, here we go. Now I will be doing a lash tutorial on how to place your lashes. I think a lot of women, especially beginners, really don't know how to place their lashes on correctly, and it just looked like they have two separate lash lines. So I will be doing that separately. It'll be a nice little short minute, not a minute, but it'll be a nice little short video on how to correctly place your lashes on top of your own lashes.
Melodies, there's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me, 1 minute.
now we're about to apply the NARS foundation. I go between NARS and it's called L Makiage, Maikiage. I'm probably pronouncing that incorrectly, but the L Makiage or Makiage, I don't even know, but it's the brand where you can take like a little test or whatever online, and you pretty much, or they pretty much pick out the perfect shade for you, and it actually works. Like I was a little bit skeptical, but it actually worked. So I kind of go back and forth between both of those, but I apply it with my Eco Tool brush first, and then I complete it with my beauty blenders. And now that I have brushed out my foundation, I'm going to, like I said, use my beauty blenders, but I like to spray a little bit of the setting spray onto my beauty blender. It just makes the foundation, I've sprayed too much, but it makes the foundation just set in a little bit better. But the setting spray I'm using is from NYX. It's like a 5 or 6 in 1. It's a setting spray, it's a refresher after I wash my face and just exfoliate my face at night or whatever. After makeup, I put it on as a refresher to my skin, and overall it's good. So I will put all the information down below as far as the products that I'm using. Now I am coming back with the concealer. I'm going to do my, little highlights underneath my eyes and my forehead and my chin and all that good stuff. You see when the girls have the light looking, how can I explain? What looks lighter underneath their eyes and their head and stuff like that. That's how you get that, or at least how I do it. So I put the concealer on, and then I'm going to follow up with using my translucent powder by L'Oreal Mercier. Wait a minute, I think I'm pronouncing her name wrong. It's Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm still maybe saying it wrong, but you get what I'm saying. So anyway, I am putting it on there with a nice little sponge brush, or sponge, and I almost wanted to say SpongeBob. Anyway, listen, I'm crazy on a voiceover, or even when I'm just talking, doing my hauls. Okay, this is really me being silly. Excess translucent powder with my foundation, and just blend everything to make it look, together, cohesive, blended, all that good stuff. So blend, blend, blend. That is the key, ladies. Blend. Make sure your makeup looks all together and in one, not 2, 3, 4, 7 separate shades on your face. I'm just saying. All right, next up is the Juvia's Place Shade Stick. I'm going to do my little contour. Okay, I like to do my cheeks, as you can see, my cheekbones, and my nose. I don't do the whole forehead and the chin and all that really deep contour. I have before, but it just adds to the process, and it already takes forever to do makeup. Oh, that reminds me, I should do a video of how to do makeup under like 20 minutes. Because like when I be doing my hauls and stuff, like it just takes me forever, and that process just, it just sucks. But I don't know, I'm gonna work on it. Anyway, so I'm just blending with my beauty blender, and just blending in my Juvia's Place Shade Stick. Again, all of the products, most of the products will be down below as far as the name of the products that I'm using. So if you don't understand what I'm saying or whatever, it will be written down in the description box below. Okay, and now I'm going to use this blush palette. This is a dark brown chocolate, and this other color here is a like a burnt orange type of color that I use for my blush. The brown I'm going to go over on my cheekbones, just kind of go over the top of the shade stick that I just used from Juvia's Place. Yeah, that color. I'm going to go over it. See? Oh, look at me. I just knew what I was going to say. But yeah, I'll show you guys in a second. Okay, and now I'm going to take my brush and my bronzer that I used for my eyeshadow earlier and just blend everything in, the foundation, the translucent powder, the Fenty highlighter, and just blend all of that in so it can look, you know, really cohesive and just all in one. Just blend everything in together, all the powders, all of that good juicy stuff. Well, not juicy, it's kind of powdery, whatever. All right, and now one of the last final steps is using my setting spray. I usually use the NYX matte setting spray in like a small black bottle, but I could not find it. So this will do, and like I said earlier, that particular spray, it is rosemary, not rosemary, something rose, but it's also a setting spray too. So it's an all-in-one. You should get you some. All right, and the very last step is the lips, which is my favorite part, but I don't know if I really want to show you guys that yet. Yeah, I don't think I do. So hold on and I'll be right back. Well, what do you guys think? My hair is so cute. I had just got my hair done too, so your girl is feeling herself. What do you guys think? Comment down below and let me know. And again, like I always say, all the information is down below as far as the products that I use. And just let me know if you like this kind of content. Again, I am trying to bring more than just hauls to this channel. So just let me know what you think, and I will catch you guys on another video. Bye!